Welcome back to Channeling Luxury. You will not see my face on this one because this is the spotlight and the only thing that matters in this video. This is my very first special order. It is a Birkin 25 from Hermes. And okay, forgive my French. I know my French sucks. In English, we would say pearl gray and meyer gray, but I believe is gris perle and gris meyer. So please let me know if that's correct or if I totally butchered it. But my French is horrible. So what is this bag? Well, first of all, obviously it's ostrich and I did a two-tone. I do. So many of you ask, like, do you have any regrets when you do a bag or when you, this is my first special order, but when you purchased a bag, what are your regrets? How does it hold out over time? So my only regret is I did want to do this, the primary color as the dark color and the secondary color as the lighter color. And what she told me is that then the handles would be light and it would look weird. And she had seen some made like that. So she was really discouraging me from making that selection, but in hindsight, I wish I had, because I think it would have been a darker, it's a cool color, just so you know, like cool as in cool versus warm. It's on the cool side. But I think it would have warmed it up a little bit, even though this is a cool color gray as well. The other thing is maybe I would have done it in tan, some kind of taupe. However, I absolutely love and adore this bag. So from global perspective, I have absolutely no regrets whatsoever. I'm just sharing what many of you always ask as one of the first couple of comments, which is what would you do different? And that's the only thing I can think of. What I love is that the hardware is in the dark color, the dark gray. The hardware is also primarily in ostrich, of course, except for this, which is just leather wrapped. And I also did the matte hardware. I love palladium and rose gold. I cannot stand yellow gold. Like, I can't own anything or wear anything yellow gold. Just personally, I just can't stand it. So I wanted to do, she was suggesting permabrass, but obviously that's a gold tone. It's not going to happen. So I did the matte palladium, and I could not be happier with the color of the hardware, especially with the tone of this bag. I think it's absolutely stunning. And the toolie that I have to go with it is another one that I actually just found on their website, and it's available now, and it's got a dark gray, light gray, and blue and black to try to kind of make this match a few more outfits. A lot of my outfits are tan, and this is going to be tough to wear with tan, right, instead of with grays or blacks. But so the top is obviously it's ostrich. In terms of how it holds up, a lot of you do ask me how did it hold up over time. This one hasn't been used yet, so I can't answer that question. But I do have a mini Lindy in ostrich, and it's one of the few bags that I trust in rough weather. Not to say that ostrich is waterproof or anything, because it's certainly not, but simply because it's very durable. And I know I'm not recommending this for any of you, okay? I am 0.0 recommending this. This is just what I do, so take it for what it's worth. I spray Pro Carbon on all of my bags, including my ostrich, or even croc. And for me, it provides another added layer of protection. Plus, it's just awesome. So everything just kind of wipes off so easily when I use it. So here's what the side looks like. The back, also the same two-tone. And this is what the bottom looks like. So you can see the stickers are still on everything. So the same palladium look. And then inside of this bag, it is leather, obviously not ostrich. It is, I believe it is actually, it might be calf green. I have to take a closer look without the video on, but so you can see it here as well. And anyway, this is my new little guy to come home, and you know, I ended up trading actually a full gris meyer for this one because I could not keep both, and so this is what I decided to keep. So loving this bag. Love to know what you all think. I will start using it here shortly as soon as I put my twillies on. I'll make another video on a cool way to do that, actually. I know a lot of us could use that. And just wanted to show you the hardware and the lovely little horseshoe stamp. If you do see that stamp, that means it was a special order bag. There's actually a guide out there to all of the stamps, and you'll know what they all mean. Okay, I hope you love this as much as I do. And if you don't, I'd love to hear that too, because I always love your feedback. So have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Take good care. Bye.